Hi library friends, and today I'm going to walk you through how to use our Libby app as part of our How to Tech series. This app is great if you like ebooks or audiobooks, so let's get started. I'm on an iPhone, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the App Store. If you are on an Android device, you'll use the Google Play Store. Alright, so let's search for Libby in the App Store. And there she is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download that app. And while this is downloading, I'm going to take you for a minute to go see the Overdrive app. If you are working on a Kindle device or an Amazon Fire tablet, you're going to want the regular old Overdrive app. The current Libby app, which is newer, is not compatible on Amazon Fire tablets or Kindles yet, so you still have to use the original Overdrive app. And that's what that looks like if you're wanting to know. So let's go out of here. All right, Libby's all downloaded, so I'm going to click in and let's get started. You're going to get some on-screen prompts, so you're just going to want to read through those. So I do have a library card. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hit yes. Okay, so I can either copy from another device. If you've got multiple devices that Libby is on, you can search for a library, or you can have Libby guess your library, which is what I'm going to do. And she got it right. I am at the Alpha Park Public Library District, so I'll say this is my library. And I do use my card at the Alpha Park Public Library District, so I will click that. From here, it will prompt me to enter my card number. I won't show you this on screen for privacy reasons, but what you'll want to do is you'll enter your card number. The next prompt you will get is to enter your PIN. So everyone does have a PIN. You were given it whenever you signed up for your library card. If you're not sure what that is, you can reach out to us here at the library and we can let you know what that PIN is. Alright, so here is the main screen of the Libby app. So up at the top here, you've got some preferences. So this you can choose whatever you like, whatever you would prefer to see, your format, ebook or audiobook, your audience, the compatibility, the availability, anything like that, and then you can apply those preferences. If you scroll further down the screen, it's got different categories you can look into, maybe some themed lists, award winners and nominees, anything of that sort. So now I'm going to go to the shelf. From here, you can see the items that you've checked out. So your loans, anything that you've checked out, holds, anything you've currently got on hold, and then your tags. Tags are what you can add books to that you find in the Libby app, either to read, to mark that you like them, or maybe disliked them. And that would just be for quick access later on if you ever want to find those titles again, but you're not ready to place a hold on them or check them out. All right, let's head on back to the library. So I'm going to go exploring. So if you scroll all the way to the top, you'll hit explore right there next to where it says preferences. And I'm going to look for audiobooks, and I want to see what's available now. Hit that explore button. And within Explore, you've got different genres you can look at. You've got what's new, what's popular, what's available. So let's take a look at what's new. And I want to see new in audiobooks. And up at the top there, you'll see some tags. You can refine your search that way or use the Refine tab right there over on the top. So let's find a title. Oh, how about Outlander? So from here, I can either borrow Outlander, I can play a sample, or I can add a tag to it. So let's go ahead and borrow it. So when you hit borrow, it's going to take you to another screen, and then you're going to hit borrow again. Okay, and then you can enable notifications to let you know when this is due. You don't have to do this right now, but you can if you would like to. And this is going to download to my device. And I have borrowed it for 14 days. That is the automatic set. You get 2 weeks for a title. The great thing about using the Libby app is you never have to worry about late fees. Everything returns automatically. So I can either open the audiobook, keep browsing, or go to my shelf. So let me go to my shelf. I'll take a look at it. Still working on downloading. And here under my loans, so that manage loan button, it'll tell you when it's due, what time it's due. You can return it early, you can renew it. It also lets you know what number in the series that title is as well. And there you have it. That is the Libby app. So easy to use. It really is one of the most convenient apps out there, and all you need is your library card to get started. If you have any questions or you're confused on anything with using the Libby app, please feel free to reach out to us here at Alpha Park Public Library by either giving us a call or emailing us. All right, thanks for joining us today, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.